cooking tips. Keep ground mustard paste, ginger, garlic in the fridge all the time so that you could use them. Method it's the way you make the mustard. Vinegar, preferably overnight you soak it and let it grind it in the mixer. You can use it for sandwiches, salads, pickles, etc. Then garlic you can use with a little garlic chopped up with a little oil and make the paste, keep it separately. Then ginger paste, that also you can keep it separately. And all this you can use for curries like cucumber, pumpkin, brinjal, lady's fingers, etc. At the time you add the coconut milk, you can add the mustard paste and add into your curries. Whenever you are preparing other curries like Chopsuey, you can use garlic paste. You will be very quick in preparing curries. Keep Uluhal roasted for your Kiri Othi with curry leaves. Keep in an airtight container. To keep your vegetables fresh, keep the leaves wrapped in newspaper. Keep it in the fridge, like salad leaves, coriander, green chilli, mint, celery, karupincha and any other leaf. To refresh salad leaves, keep them in water with a little sugar dissolved in, or else with a little lime juice in the water. When cooking green vegetables, use a little sugar to preserve the color, like kangkong, lady's fingers, beans, etc.